what's your name? And then over the years, I've just had such great support from my teachers. Like Dr. Ramon, I would show up at his, in his classroom after school and be like, you know, I want to work on a hydrogen fuel cell. Do you have any ideas? And then in Ms. Holmes, I would have, you know, all these, she would be there to listen to all of my frustration and all my experiences and whatever cool new thing I was working on. Then she would just nod her head and keep supporting me even if I was rambling like crazy. And all my teachers here, really, I've had the best time, from all my science teachers, all my math teachers, all my English teachers, all my theater experiences, all my history teachers. I've really enjoyed high school as a whole, because not only did I have strong academics, but Hightower has that whole public school feeling at the same time. So I went to the football games and I cheered like crazy, and I went to all the plays. So I've just really had a great time here, and I'm excited to see where it takes me next.
Neerja, would you share with us
what my project's about?
Yes.
Sure. So my project, just in a nutshell, is about synthesizing carbon nanotubes, which are basically little tiny tubes just made of carbon-carbon bonds. And you know, on the atomic scale, it looks like this, where each of these joints is a carbon atom. But really, on the to the naked eye, it just looks like black carbon powder. So what's the big deal with these things? Well, if you look at these little individual tubes, they're stronger than steel in terms of tensile strength. They're more conductive than copper. And once we're able to make exactly the kind of tube we want at a specified diameter, at a specified length, at a specified electronic structure, you can just imagine the types of applications, from, you know, drug delivery to cure cancer, to solar cells, to making armchair quantum wires that can rewire the whole grid. In fact, right now, one of the students, who's just 15 out of Maryland, did his project that actually used carbon nanotubes, which was what I made, and he put them in a paper sensor that can be used to detect pancreatic cancer at 100% success rate. So they have all these amazing applications, but you need somebody to make them, and that person's me right now. I got involved in this work was really, I went to a summer camp at Rice 2 summers ago before my junior year, where I learned about, you know, nanoscience and chemistry, and it was really interesting. But I was excited and I was really curious to learn more. So I contacted different professors, and eventually one professor at Rice, that was Dr.